From the days of chalkboards and textbooks, classrooms have come a long way. Today, students have access to a world of information at their fingertips. With the rise of technology, education has become more accessible and interactive than ever before. Smartboards have replaced chalkboards, and students can now collaborate with each other in real time, no matter where they are in the world. Virtual reality has opened up new possibilities for immersive learning experiences, allowing students to explore the world in ways they never thought possible. Tablets have replaced textbooks, making it easier for students to access information and learn at their own pace. Coding programs have become a staple in classrooms, teaching students valuable skills that will prepare them for the future. 3D printers have revolutionized the way students learn about design and engineering, allowing them to bring their ideas to life. Despite all these changes, the power of education remains the same. It's still about teachers and students working together to learn and grow. So whether it's a chalkboard or a screen, the classroom will continue to evolve, but the power of education will always remain the same.